In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an employee in Zoho Payroll. Managing your payroll system efficiently is crucial for maintaining an organized business, and sometimes that involves removing an employee from the system. Whether it's because of a change in staffing or an error that needs correcting, understanding how to navigate Zoho Payroll for this purpose will save you time and keep your records tidy. When you first log into Zoho Payroll, you'll land on the dashboard. Here, you'll notice a range of options designed to help you manage your payroll needs. These include modules like Employees, Pay Runs, Revisions Approval, Loans, Giving, Documents, Reports, and Settings. For our task today, our focus will be on the Employees section. Start by clicking on the Employees tab. This will take you to a comprehensive list of all the employees currently registered in the system. Browse through this list to find the employee you wish to remove. It's important to double-check you have the correct employee, as this action will permanently impact their records. Once you've identified the correct employee, click on their name to open their individual profile. This profile contains all pertinent information regarding their employment, including personal details, payroll information, and other relevant data. On this page, look for the option to edit or manage the employee profile. In most cases, this will be a button or a drop-down menu labeled as such, though the exact wording can vary based on system updates or customizations. Upon entering the Management section, you'll be looking for the option specifically related to removing or deleting the employee from the system. It's worth noting that some systems might refer to this process as archiving, deactivating, or similar terminology, which essentially serves the same purpose. Click on this option to proceed. The system might prompt you with a confirmation message, asking you to verify that you indeed wish to delete the selected profile. This step is a safeguard to prevent accidental deletions, so it's prudent to review all details again before clicking Confirm. After confirming the deletion, Zoho Payroll will process the request and the employee will be removed from active records. It's a good practice to check your employee list afterward to ensure the deletion was successful. Keep in mind that once deleted, you may not be able to access previous payroll records or any historical data associated with the employee. If you need to retain any information for future reference, consider backing it up before completing the deletion. Remember, maintaining accurate records is not only good practice, but often a legal requirement. Use these steps to ensure your Zoho Payroll records are always up to date. If you have any issues or encounter anything unexpected during this process, you can consult the Zoho Payroll support team or refer to their detailed help guides available online for further assistance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.